Good morning, guys. So I'm up early working on this skirt. I don't know why I'm such a doozy just to sew, but I worked on this skirt like I promised yesterday on the video. So I added the zippers. I want to keep working on it. So this part is the belt part of the skirt. I decided to go ahead and sew it up, the ends on the machine. And then this is me laying out the skirt, making sure the zipper works right, making sure that everything was lined up right, and iron out the skirt. Then I decided to go ahead and cut out the portion for the bow that goes on the skirt. Just a quick straighten of the lines. And then I began to sew the sides of the rectangle that I just cut out. This is it turned over. And now you have to go and press it out to make sure that each four corners are laid flat. And if you can, I didn't show you when I sewed up the open piece for the bow. I sewed that up. And this is me ironing out the bow. Then I had to make like a circular piece that goes in the middle of the bow. And this is me inserting the bow in that little hole. It turned out pretty nice, y'all. I really like how the bow looked. So I finally finished the bow skirt. Y'all see how cute that is? Like amazingly beautiful. Yeah, so this is the bow outfit. I think it turned out so beautiful. Yeah.